I finally got round to installing a Craig clamp rail on my bench, well, one of them. I was going to install another one on that bench, but that bench is actually going to disappear. I am getting rid of it, and that's where the router table will go, or further up by that wall there somehow, and it will just give me open this whole space up. I've had these rails and this clamp maybe 2 years. It's just been sitting here waiting for me to actually install it. I was going to install this yesterday, but realised I haven't got the right router bit to install it, so I said, oh well, we'll get this installed instead. I think this one here will be more useful because I can have it in the centre of the bench. You've seen me use this a few times. I've taken that off the other bench due to the fact that, as I said, that bench is going to disappear and I have to now find a new spot for it. That's what I've been up to. Catch you later.